So now we're going to start getting into SQL language in lesson 4, and we're going to go over basic data retrieval. Our objectives are to learn the simple select statement, specifying columns in the select statement, selecting columns names that have spaces, and a preview of a full select. The simple select is just select, asterisk, from, and your table. This is the most important function for SQL because you want to be able to retrieve all the data that you have input into your system. A lot of business requires reports from the database. They're going to want to know different things from different tables, and the basic thing to learn is you start off with your select. The select asterisk from customers, that's going to retrieve every single record that's in the customer table because the asterisk sign means all records. The keywords select and from, select indicates that you're going to start, that's where you're starting, and then from is going to designate the table. Show you an example I have is select all from brand. And we'll just retype. I can get going here. There we go. Asterisk means all, from, and we're just going to pick a table. I'm going to highlight it, and we're going to hit our execute button. Now, as you can see, it's retrieved 13 rows, all of it, no particular order. Now we're going to know, it's important to know that the keywords in our SQL Server are not case sensitive, so all uppercase select is the same as select and select, same as for table names and column names. And it can be written on any number of lines as long as it flows in the correct order. Example, you can have select star from customers is the same as select star, next line from customers. It's personally preference. Any way you like, it's a programmer thing, and it's whatever you prefer. You'll also notice in MySQL and Oracle statements require a semicolon at the end of their SQL statement. We're using SQL Server and it doesn't require one. Next thing we'll go is specifying columns. This is if you want just a particular column from a particular table. Examples, select last name from customer, first name. You can start limiting. So we'll show you an example. Right here I just have customer F name, L name from LG customer. You're specifying certain columns. Hit execute, and you'll see you'll just get your two columns that you've specified in your select statement. If your column name has a space in it, you can't just type the name. In SQL Server, you're going to have to use square brackets. And you'll see an example. I don't have any in my database, so I'll just use this one. Here's your bracket. Put your name in, bracket from customer. MySQL, you're going to use parentheses, and Oracle, you would use double quotes. Now remember, Oracle, when you're doing columns with space names, they are case sensitive. Next lesson, we're just going to go more in depth on select statements and data retrieval. In the next 5-6 lessons, we're going to go into joins, wheres, group bys, and having clauses. And we're also going to go into different functions as well. And we're going to go into sorts and